Welcome to the ABCs of Plantforward Living, where living green is easy and oh so delicious. Today, it's all about the letter F. F is for fermented foods, which are vital to have a well-balanced, healthy diet. Fermented foods are packed with probiotics that are beneficial for gut health. I'm here at BKE Kombucha, located in Brooklyn, taking in one of my favorite fermented foods, kombucha. Cheers. Yes, that's good. Now, your gut is considered your second brain. It dictates your mood, it dictates your immune system, and your overall health. A healthy life means including fermented foods. Now, fermented foods are where there is a natural process of good bacteria and yeast, and it's broken down into sugars in the food that you eat, like sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, and it's even found in vegan yogurt. Now, it's not just about the taste. These are loaded with probiotics, also known as the guys that help your gut thrive. A healthy gut can boost digestion, it supports your immune system, and it improves your mood. And who doesn't want to feel good inside and out? The best part is they are so easy to work with. You can add kimchi to your fried rice, you can sip on kombucha, you can also mix miso into your soup. When I say that is a game changer, it is a game changer. So if you haven't jumped on fermented foods yet, what are you waiting for? Your taste buds and your gut will thank you. Make sure you subscribe, and the next letter we'll be talking about is G. Talk to y'all soon.